everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's crafting project is something that's very near and dear to my heart. I recently inherited my late grandmother's old watches and some of her old jewelry. So today I'm going to be turning these old treasures into a timeless piece of mixed media art. But without further ado, let's get started. So I actually picked up two of these at a thrift store. This one was 50 cents and this one was $1. So I'm gonna be using this one today as a backdrop for this mixed media art. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video has been an inspiration to you. I'll catch you guys in a later video. Bye.